want to go this way?
Oh, I don't care.
That just moved.
Huh? I know it moves.
Oh, that's the old side you said?
Yeah, I think so. No, it's a parking garage. Uh-oh. This is good to know. Room service closed.
Yard from 2 to 10. Alright.
Let's go.
Meatballs and tortillas.
I don't even want to go to the top one.
Sign up for Bally Rewards and start receiving great offers, ranging from gifts to complimentary dinners and more.
Want access to everything that Bally's properties have to offer? Play more, earn more, and reach higher levels of benefits and exclusive rewards.
Earn status with Bally's and get access to exclusive getaways at our sister properties. Or cruise benefits with Carnival Cruise Lines.
Most offers, most rewards, most value.
Visit BallyRewards.com for more details.
Must be 21. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER.
Oh, the Players Club is closed.
Today's not Friday, right? Oh, that's only Friday and Saturday.
Is it? Come on. The Players Club is closed. On casino floor. What?
Happy hour. Yeah, full.
All right, let's get our room first, and we can worry about happy hour. Oh, there's a casino. Huh? 36.27. 36. Can I just go like this?
Yep.
Ew.
I ain't smoking in here.
You can have your fake one.
Oh!
Open it.
I have to take this cooler off my shirt first.
You want me to open it?
Yeah.
And here is your room with the holy crap.
Wow.
We got it good. We got a room with the view. Not bad room. Like every hotel, it's freaking dark and there's no lights. How do you get in? Huh. That's a little better. Bally's. There we go. We're here for 4 days, so get used to it. Ironing board. Ice bucket. Mini fridge. Coffee. Alright. A little chipped on the furniture, but our bathroom's all the way down here in this end. Alright. This'll do. easier out of the way. And more lights. Bath products. Makeup mirror. Ooh. Hair dryer. No bench. And this is our room at Bally's. Cool and the gang.